Looks kind of cool.
Yeah.
All right, we have some heat that we are dealing with.
Cool.
Hazy, hot, and humid. I would add one more H, Craig. Horrendous.
Ooh, horrific.
Yeah, well, there's two H's, okay.
Maybe not that bad.
Okay, not that bad. But it is hot out there and hazy and humid and pretty horrific. There's our Keys cam this afternoon from Key West, looking off to the west-southwest. A few clouds out there, but you can see the haze in the sky. Nothing blue about that picture. 91 right now in Miami, 89 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 90 in Key West. Stickiness scale has been way, way up there today, hovering around a 10 at times this morning. Now at an 8, still feels like 100 south-southeast breeze at 8, and elsewhere on our neighborhood network. Feels like temperatures, Miramar feels like 101, feels like 99 right now. Deerfield Beach, Doral feels like 104, Coral Gables feels like 101. Thermometer temperatures are in the upper 80s to low 90s, but even at the 6 o'clock hour, that is very warm. Highs today, 91 is the normal. We were there or better everywhere. We should be a little bit warmer tomorrow, but it feels like temperatures are going to be way up there once again. Well, at least we've got enough of a southeast breeze to keep us from getting too hot. Here's the radar. Quiet across South Florida, quiet across the Keys. Thunderstorms up to the north through Tampa, Orlando, and over through North Florida. There's the moisture with the thunderstorm activity. This was what was over us Monday and Tuesday. It has retreated to the north. Here is the drier air with the Saharan dust in it, and it's going to stick around through tomorrow. There's our Friday position. Saturday, still dry, and then Sunday a little bit of moisture sneaks back in. At least the atmosphere moistens up enough where we'll see a slightly better chance for some showers and thunderstorms Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. But until then, it is looking very sunny, very hot. Thunderstorms over the northern Gulf, no organization there. We're watching a pretty strong tropical wave coming into the southeast Caribbean there, producing some squally weather over the islands. It is forecast to move to the west, has some low development potential as it moves further to the west into the western Caribbean, or maybe even into the southern Gulf of Mexico. That would be later in the weekend, or more likely even into the next week time frame. Elsewhere in the eastern Atlantic, a pretty healthy tropical wave out there as well. Getting to that time now where the systems coming off of Africa have better potential for development, and this one does. High development potential, especially later in the weekend and next week, where a depression is expected to form, could become our next tropical storm. Too early to tell exactly what will happen with it, but certainly something that we will be watching very closely. Our forecast for tonight: summer warmth out through the night, but a very steamy evening. A low temperature only in the 80s. No relief during the night. Tomorrow, hazy, hot, humid. Sun and horrendous too. High near 94. Feels like temperatures 103 to 108. For boaters, if you can be on the water, do so by all means. The surf temperature is 86 southeast at 10 to 15 on the winds. Taking us through the weekend, it's going to be hazy, hot, humid, and horrendous. With highs in the mid 90s. Next chance for rain coming later on Sunday and next week. Back to you,
Craig, using all his H's there. Thank you, Craig.